Yeah, those are Trader Joe's bags. So what?
I just started shopping at Aldi a few months ago, and I really wasn't sure what I would find. I had my doubts. I was skeptical they'd only carry highly processed or low quality food. So happy news, here are my go-to items that have won me over for top quality and great value. And I've saved a ton of money in the process. So let's dive in. The Italian pastas. These pastas are direct from Italy. I love their shape, they cook up great, and most all of them are under $1.50. Beyond these pastas, the base variety of carby items available at Aldi are all terrific picks, whether it's the dried black beans or the organic rice and quinoa or the small yellow potatoes. Those are all items in my pantry now and the core for great meals throughout the week. Oh, and by the way, this video is not sponsored by Aldi, but that would be nice. So while we were just in Italy, let's talk about the imported cheese selection. And the imported cheeses at Aldi are legit. My favorite is Grana Padano, a hard Italian cheese, very similar to Parmesan. It's so good, and this package of Grana Padano has the seal of authenticity from Italy. It's the real deal. You can even look at the end here to see the Grana Padano name on the rind. There are quite a few quality imported cheeses at Aldi like Gruyere and Brie, as well as the charcuterie. You can make a serious cheese board. Okay, moving from Italy to Greece, let's talk about the organic plain Greek yogurt. I love the rich, smooth, silky texture of this yogurt, and with no added flavorings or sugar, you can use it any way you like. Sticking with organics, let's talk about the organic spring mix, or what I lovingly like to call the big bale of salad. This is another core base for meals throughout the week. I love the mix of radicchio and baby lettuces and other greens. It's so much lettuce, it's actually hard for me to use it up all in one week. It's a good problem to have. Okay, if you've watched my last couple videos, then you know this item is coming up. It's the organic large brown eggs, especially when I can't get eggs from my local friends in the dead of winter. And here's what else I love about these eggs. They are under $3, the lowest price I've seen in any major grocery store. And the other thing I love, these organic eggs are from just across my home state of Pennsylvania, so they're not being shipped across the country. So I love the quality chocolate, specifically the Belgian semi-sweet and dark chocolate baking chips. I've used them in my flourless chocolate cake, and they were a complete winner. And they're also good for snacking. There's no problem with that. Oh, and these guys going down the aisle, they're good too. And I'm gonna end with a new favorite I just started purchasing over the holidays, the Applewood smoked thick cut bacon. This glorious pack of bacon at just under $9 gives you 1.5 pounds of meaty, smoky, delicious bacon strips. For the ultimate BLT or burger topping, or of course for breakfast, you can't go wrong. So believe it or not, I've just been shopping at Aldi about the last 6 months, and these are the products I'm loving. But which ones do you like? Leave a comment and tell me the ones that you're using to make great meals at home too. Hey Snugs, do you like Aldi's?